In this video, we'll discuss what is intraday option analysis. First of all, the intraday option analysis tool is exclusively for Nifty and Bank Nifty trading. So in this feature, you will get to understand what is the current option analytics as per the current market scenario. So here to read this particular data, I need to just understand where is the highest green bar and where is the highest red bar. The green bars, which is the highest, that strike price will act as a good support zone. Similar ways, the red bar will act as good resistance zone. So as you can see, 17,300 is a good support zone currently as of now. To understand what is this OI analytics, you can see over here from 9:40 till 2:31, that is the current market time. So this particular radio button will make you understand what is the overall option analytics telling you. Same ways, these particular numbers 5, 10 and 15 will depict you what is the story for the last 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes and so on. So the most important thing is I need to understand what is the OI data suggesting me in the last 15 minutes. So in the last 15 minutes, as you can see, 17,400 is a good resistance zone. Similar ways, 17,300 is a good support zone. So once again we come to the chart and you can see the retracement has been coming from 17,400 zone and nearby. So same ways you can depict the Nifty or Bank Nifty flow by checking the OI data analytics, and through which you can depict what is the particular trend or where will be the particular reversal or breakout can happen. Same ways if I need to check it out for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, once again I open intraday option analysis tool. As you can see, Bank Nifty is having good support zone at 4,500, that is 40,500, and same ways there are pretty much resistance zone on the upper side as well. Same ways I need to understand what is the last 15-minute story of option analytics. Here I can understand that 40,800, 700 is kind of a good resistance zone on the upper side. Same ways 40,600 remains a strong support. Now these support and resistance are based on option seller's point of view. So here you can see the red bars which are been showing is basically the call writing zone. Same ways the green bars are put writing zone. So if the put writers are getting increased in the system, that means it is going to act as a good support. Same ways if the red bars are increasing onto the platform, it will be a good call writing zone. So call writers will try to push the market towards the downside. Same ways P writers will try to push the market towards the upside. So I need to trade accordingly, and which will help me out to depict what is the current direction or the current upflow or downflow in a particular index at a given point of time. So when you click on this 15, 30 and 10, you can understand that there are certain negative numbers as well as positive numbers. So these negative numbers shows that the option writers are exiting that particular strike prices and more built up is happening onto the downside where it will be as a positive number. So here I can clear cut understand that which is the best level to go on to as a support, upcoming support or an upcoming resistance. So this will help us to take our trades more confidently towards the direction and hold on to our trades. Thank you for watching this video and stay connected.